Okay. Loosen 4 of these. Pull it out and slide it from the bottom. And then there's usually 1 or 2 inside. Of course, yours will have a wiring harness. Loosen the ones in the back. Take these out. And then gently hold the wiring harness in your hand and wiggle this out. This one's never been out before, so. Okay, pull it out very gently, make sure the wiring harness clears, and then you can set it down right by the game. Let me get a switch here. Okay, here's your switch. It connects like that. So when you reach inside, you pull this lever back right here just a little bit and pop it down. Leave the black alone. You'll either be messing with the blue and white wire that's connected to this terminal right here. The black will be connected here. Leave those alone unless it's broke. But your problem is right in here. Blue or white, on whichever side it is. It's either a white one or a blue one. And then once you fix that, this is in here like this. You just take your switch, put it right back on. Look it right there. And then you'll have it. If it's a switch, just replace the switch with the one I send you. That's it.